In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and manage receipts using Wave, an efficient tool for handling your accounting needs. Whether you're a small business owner or simply looking to keep your personal finances organized, Wave provides a seamless user experience for managing your financial documents, and I'll guide you through each step. First things first, let's navigate to the Wave accounting website in your internet browser of choice. It's here that you'll access the full suite of Wave's powerful financial tools, completely free of charge. Once the website is loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Sign In button. Click on it to proceed. For a faster login experience, you can opt to sign in using your Google account. If Wave asks, select the Google account you typically associate with your financial activities, as this will streamline your access and connect you with your financial data effortlessly. Now that you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. It's designed with user-friendliness in mind to allow intuitive navigation across its features. Next, to access the portion of Wave where you'll upload your receipts, click on the Accounting tab. This section houses all transaction-related activities. Once there, locate and click on Transactions. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page and you'll see an Add Transaction button. Go ahead and click it. This action prepares your account to record new financial data, including documents like receipts. From the options that appear, choose Scan Receipt. Wave's intelligence system allows for an accurate conversion of physical receipts into digital form, significantly easing the burden of manual data entry. At this point, you can scan your receipt to upload directly from your computer. However, if you're on the move, it might be more convenient to use your phone. Yes, you heard that right. Wave offers a nifty feature allowing you to directly scan and upload receipts via your mobile device. Whether you choose to use your computer or phone, uploading receipts is a straightforward process that automatically digitizes and records your expenditure. This functionality ensures you have a comprehensive and organized account of all transactions, vital for ease during tax season or end-of-year financial reviews. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to upload and manage receipts using Wave. Remember, regularly updating your transactions helps to maintain accurate financial records, and Wave's receipt scanning feature is a game changer in simplifying this task. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has provided you with the clarity and confidence to leverage Wave for your accounting needs. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and financial tips.